On each of the banks of your engine, you're going to find that there's 4 black ignition coils that run down along each side. To get out the coil, you can come right here, grab onto this wiring harness. We're going to squeeze the tab that's right here and then draw it right off. Every time you remove something like this, just look for any type of corrosion. We'll set this aside. We'll continue on to removing our mounting bolt. That's going to be located right on the other side of it. We'll set this aside. Go ahead and grab onto that coil, give it a nice twist, and draw it up and out of there. Inspect your coil, make sure that the boot's in good condition. If it isn't, it's a good time to replace these. We'll set this aside. Down inside here is where the spark plug's going to be. I'm going to use a nice long spark plug socket that looks like this. Right in there. We'll remove the spark plug, and then we'll compare it to the new one. So there's our spark plug side to side. As you can tell where the gap's supposed to be, or down at the electrodes, the originals were very worn. You want to make sure that you have the same length that comes along here, because if it's too deep, you could cause major damage, and just kind of ensure everything looks about the same. Now it's going to be time to carefully install our spark plug. Let's just go ahead and put this down and in here. We'll go ahead and snug it up, and then we'll torque it to manufacturer specifications. Let's torque these to 9 foot-pounds. Just take a little bit of silicone paste, go right along the end there. Let's carefully put this down and in here, and then mount in our bolt. Now let's torque this to 53 inch-pounds. Plug in your connector. Listen for the click, give it a nice tug. Do the same to all on both sides of your engine.